Welcome to HEALTHe Newfoundland and Labrador. Education and training module will provide you with information about how to search for patients in the HEALTHe NL viewer. The patient search uses the provincial client registry to search for and retrieve patients. The patient demographic search can be accessed from the clinician home page, when you sign in, or from the patient's menu on the left navigation pane. To search for patients, use the healthcare number. Currently MCP is the only healthcare number available. Or, use a recommended search of first name, last name and date of birth. If a demographic search is required, you may find it useful to conduct a search by selecting Patient Demographic Search from the left navigation pane. This will bring the search into context, providing a full-page view, and provide the full page to display search results. Searching for a patient by entering their healthcare number is the recommended search method for the HEALTHe NL viewer. Enter the HCN in the marked area, and hit the search button. If a healthcare number is not available, it is recommended to search for a patient by entering their complete first and last name, and date of birth. Wildcards, % or asterisk, are not permitted for use in searches. For date of birth, you can use the calendar function to select the date of birth, or you can enter it manually. You can also find patients from the list of recent patients, or from My Work lists, which you can populate based on your needs. Recent patients, found on the clinician home page, or from the patient's menu on the left navigation pane, displays patient records that you have previously viewed. The recent lists include today, the last 7 days, the last 4 weeks and the last 12 months. My Work lists, found on the clinician home page, or on the Work lists menu on the left navigation pane, provide 6 lists. By default these lists are named red, blue, green, etc. You can populate each work list with up to 60 patients. When you have reached 60 patients, and add another patient, the first patient added to the list will be removed. The patient search results are displayed upon execution of the patient search, and allow the user to select a patient from a list of results that matches the search criteria. The search results contain columns of information, in a list format, to assist the user in identifying the correct patient. Up to 25 patient search results, maximum, are returned by a patient search. The results are sorted by the patient's last name and display the patient identifier, patient name, the date of birth, patient gender and address. The patient record can be selected by clicking on the corresponding row. This puts the selected patient into context. Note, if more than 25 results are returned, a message will display prompting the user to refine the search criteria to retrieve an acceptable number of results. If no results are returned when searching with demographic information, try entering additional details such as date of birth and gender. Once a patient search has been performed and a patient has been selected from the search results, or from a work list, you will then see the patient dynamic summary. This summary provides information, if available, about a patient. This information includes healthcare number. Currently MCP is the only available healthcare number. Demographic information including gender, date of birth, address, and phone numbers. A summary of allergies and adverse drug events. And a link to the 4-month and 2-year medication summaries. You have just completed the Patient Search online training module for the HEALTHe NL viewer. Please visit the website provided for more education and training information and material.